content creators and world travelers, Jackery portable batteries are essential to ensure we are ready to capture every moment. I will never leave home again without one.
If you've ever stored your generator for a long period of time without first draining the carburetor, the odds are high that it'll be clogged with stale gasoline the next time you want to use it. Fortunately, with Win's automatic fuel shutoff system, you'll be able to combat blockages without having to manually drain your carburetor after every use. All you have to do is turn the dial to off. This immediately stops the flow of gasoline. The generator will then use up the remaining fuel in the carburetor before automatically shutting down, helping to limit maintenance and maximize reliability. Or, if you're in a hurry, just press and hold the manual shutdown switch to quickly turn the generator off.
Remember when.
Want outdoor power that's super lightweight and ultra quiet with world-class dependability and quality? Then you should check out the new Yamaha EF2000iSv2. The I stands for inverter, which means it puts out the cleanest power you can get to safely operate today's sensitive electronics. The V2 means it's a whole new generation with more performance than ever due to a new controller that enables it to run a wide range of applications for a much longer time. Now let's talk portability. In addition to its ultra lightweight design, the EF2000 has an extra large handle for easy transport. As for convenience, an easy to read fuel gauge lets you know when it's time to fill up. Unlike integrated fuel petcocks that some of the competition uses, our independent fuel petcock allows you to conveniently drain the carburetor bowl without tools for storage and transport. Now let's talk versatility. The Twin Tech feature allows you to pair two compatible EF2000s to produce up to 30 amps for even heavier loads. And auto warm-up controls engine speed at startup to help carry big loads right away. It has premium components throughout and a tough, dependable 79cc Yamaha engine with a smart throttle that improves fuel economy while reducing engine wear and noise. In addition to a U.S. Forestry Service-approved spark arrestor, its noise block sound reduction system means it runs quieter than an average conversation. You might not even know it's on. This little gem of a generator is great for all your outdoor needs, whether it's RVing, camping, hunting, fishing, or tailgating. Use it at the racetrack or on the job site, farm, or ranch. And in case of a power outage, this generator will help keep the lights on. The EF2000iSv2 is great for anyone who needs lightweight, portable, and dependable power that can go anywhere and do the job, Yamaha style.
Champion Power Equipment's 3500-watt digital hybrid portable generator with quiet technology is one of the most innovative products on the market. A smaller, quieter, lighter, and better overall generator. With integrated digital components found in more advanced inverters and a more efficient mechanical design, Champion's digital hybrid generator is 50% quieter and 20% lighter than a traditional 3500-watt generator. Perfect for using with your RV or as a convenient source of backup power around the house. This unit comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet and enough power to start and run a 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner. And during a power outage, this unit can provide enough backup power to run the essential items you need in an emergency, your lights, sump pump, refrigerator, fan, computer, TV and internet, and more. This generator has an intelligent eco mode that monitors power consumption in real time. As the electrical demand is reduced, the engine automatically idles down, allowing for quieter operation, extended engine life, and higher fuel economy. In eco mode, the digital hybrid generator provides up to 17 hours of runtime on a full tank of gas. This unit is also parallel ready and can connect with another hybrid generator or compatible Champion inverter using a Champion parallel operation kit for increased power output. Champion's innovative 3500 watt digital hybrid portable generator. Your perfect choice for quiet, clean, portable power.
Westinghouse, innovation you can be sure of.